everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited for this video today because I'm going to be doing a first impression on the Silk & Tighten. So this is an anti-aging device that's used to lessen the appearance of wrinkles and also tighten the skin. So if you're curious to see what this is going to look like, then stay tuned for the video. In each box, you get the Silk & Tighten, the charging cord, the slider hyaluronic gel, and a carry case. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is plug the device in. So I'm just going to put that in, and then it's going to illuminate the setting levels. So there is 5 levels to this. They suggest that you start at level 1. So the device is now plugged in. Second thing, if you have long hair like me, you just want to make sure that the hair is out of your way. And then you want to make sure your next step is taking off all of your makeup. You want to start with a clean and dry surface. So I'm just going to take all of my makeup off. I'll leave my eye makeup on because I'm not going to be putting the device right by my eyes. And I'm just using a makeup remover wipe. And make sure you do down in your neck area because the device also can be used on your neck area. Okay, so all the makeup is removed now. So the next thing you want to do is use the slider gel. So it does come, as I showed you before, that it does come with a slider gel. You can use any water-based gel. And I'm going to put that directly on the device. You can put it on your face if you want, but I prefer to just put it onto the device. I'm probably going to put about half a teaspoon. And that's just going to help glide over the skin. So I'm going to start with level 1. And I'm going to just press it up to my skin. And you can see that it's working because the red is illuminating. So I'm first going to start on this area here. What they recommend is you section your face into different parts. So you can do your forehead, you can do your left side, right side, and then down into your chin and your neck area. And they recommend 10 to 15 minutes on each section. So I'm first going to start around my eyes. I have a lot of wrinkling on my forehead, and then I have crow's feet, and then I have smile lines down around between my nose and my mouth. So I'm going to try and work on those areas. And it's very warm, but it's not uncomfortable. And you just want to do it in a really gentle motion. You don't want to be pressing too hard. It actually feels quite nice on the skin, very relaxing. The first 5 minutes is used to warm the device up. And then after that, you can select the level that is comfortable for you. I think because this is my first treatment with this today, I'm just going to leave it at 1. I may go to 2. For maximum benefit, they do recommend that you go all the way up to 5. But again, just choose what is comfortable for you. If that's 3 or 4, then stick with those levels. And you just want to do it in a sweeping motion. You don't want to leave the device in one area for too long. And if you do find that it is getting too hot for you, then just either go a little bit faster or decrease the level setting. And all I've done is I've set a timer for myself, and then I think that's a good idea just so you know exactly that you're 10 to 15 minutes into the treatment. And really, this could be something that you do, you know, if you're sitting watching TV. This is something that you could just sit and watch TV and do. It's a really easy device to use. Very lightweight. It's not heavy in my hand. And you can see on this side here how it is a little bit pink on this side, but that's totally normal. So I've just applied a little bit more gel to the device, and now I'm using it on my forehead. And this is where I have a lot of wrinkling, so I'm curious to see how well it's going to turn out in this area. moving on, I'm just going to do a little bit around my smile lines. Again, that's just a really wrinkle area for me. And the Slider gel feels very nice. It glides so smoothly over the skin. And I've applied a little bit more gel, and now I'm just going to do my neck area. I do have quite a bit of wrinkling kind of down in this area here, so I really want to concentrate in that area. So once you're done your treatment, grab a Kleenex or whatever you have just to get rid of all of the excess gel that may be on your face. So once you have all of the excess gel wiped off, and then I'm just going to go in with my moisturizer. This is just the Marcel New Age moisturizer. It's my favorite. I'm just going to put a little bit on. My skin feels very soft right now. Very smooth. And you can see I definitely do have pink on my cheek, but again, that is very normal. My skin is warm, and that can last for a few hours. And also, when you are done with your device, just make sure you clean it off with either some water and just make sure it's clean for the next treatment. So I'm very surprised how smooth and soft my skin is, and it feels very hydrated. So that's a good sign. So what the recommendation is for the device to be used twice a week for 10 weeks. And then after that, it's every, I think once every couple of weeks, just to maintain what you've accomplished. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this process for the next 10 weeks. And then I wanna do an update video for you guys to let you know how well it's worked. And I'll do some before and after pictures just to let everybody to see what's happened and if there's any progress with it. I have high hopes for it because I've read some really, really good reviews about it. So I'm hoping that this definitely can help with some of the wrinkles around my forehead and around my mouth area. So I hope you guys join me on this journey, and I will keep you, probably not going to keep you updated on YouTube videos, but I definitely will be doing a 10-week update for you guys. So as always, I hope everybody had a great week. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to join me on this little journey and if you're curious to see how this is going to end up. So I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!